How to recover forgotten StarMaker account. So if you want to reset or recover your forgotten StarMaker account, or if you want to reset your password, then first you need to open up your StarMaker application. So make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. And once you've opened, now you can simply go for the bottom which has login or register. And you can choose Facebook, Google, TikTok, Twitter, or you can go for more ways. And you can log in with your email or you can log in with your mobile number. So I'll be choosing mobile number. And you need to enter your mobile number here on this blank. And then tap on next. And here you need to enter your password, but here you have forgotten your password, right? So what you can do is simply go for forgot password, which is on the bottom right of the login, so that you can reset your password. Now you need to enter the code which you have received to your mobile number that you have just entered. And now from here you can reset your password. So you need to enter your new password on the first blank, and then you need to again confirm your new password on the next blank. So you need to enter your new password twice, and then you can tap on done and your password will be reset. So that's how you reset or recover your forgotten StarMaker account or your password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.